Hello friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical CM. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also, please press the bell icon. Okay. So friends, this is a 15 minutes chart. You can see this is the high of today because I am showing you today first 15 minutes to understand the support and resistance. See, just mark a line on here. So just mark the line. We'll zoom out and see what is the importance of this line. You can see from here only market has fallen. Even on 11th, last Thursday, market went up, still here. Again from Friday it fell down from there. Again on Monday it fell down from there. So this 10,000 line, exactly you can see around 10,000 is a psychologically and technically very intraday perspective. It is very important resistance. Tomorrow market breaks this, only it will go up, otherwise it will come down. Now let us see what has happened in the daily chart. Okay, just to show you, before you only mark the line. See, always mark the line on the where it is consolidating, from where it is going up, and frame where it is coming down, or look at the left of the chart. Always look at the left of the chart for the answer why market has exactly reversed from there. See, today you can see, as I told you yesterday, market got stuck between this range, right? This range. So it's a very doji candle. It has closed below our resistance. Yesterday it's closed above our resistance. So it was a support. It has broken the support. Now this support will become a resistance. Okay, exactly the 10,000 is a psychological and technically in intraday perspective. You can see it's a very strong support and resistance as of now. Market goes up and closes for at least 1 or 2 days above 10,000. Sorry, it will become a act as a support. Now tomorrow market breaks low, it will come up to 9753. Then these two lows are important, 9721. It may consolidate there for a few minutes, or it may close there, because tomorrow is expiry. Most probably they may close it between 9,800 and 9,900, within this range. It is my expectation. We don't know what will happen. If it goes down, if there is any momentum, there is because there is war-like situation between India and China. So if something goes wrong, some news comes, market may break this support and then may go down up to 9,500. If it breaks that, then it will land up near 9,200. We don't know. We'll go to the other setup. See, it has closed below our 50% retracement. Still it will take support at what you call again at the same place only. So there is not much to discuss in with this chart. In one day, again you can see it will take a support at 100-day moving average. If 100-day moving average is broken, 9838, then it may touch that 9720 and then 9669. Right friends, we will have a look at the other datas also. See whether it is volume supported today. Today's move is volume supported. No, the volume is less today. I will show you. See, the volume is less today compared to yesterday. Even the turnover has fallen, volume has also fallen. This data is from 12 to 17. More data we will add. We will have a bigger chart. Okay, so this is Nifty cash volume. Cash volume has fallen and turnover also fallen compared to yesterday, right? Now we will see other data like we'll see global data. I think no impact of India-China standoff. Nasdaq it 0.7% up. Even SGX Nifty is 0.22% up. Okay, now we will check FII DI data. You can see FII data compared to yesterday. Okay, compared to yesterday, today they have sold less. Net selling has come down by FII. Okay, you can see DII net buying has come down compared to yesterday, right? This we are putting in the chart. We are automizing all these things. It will take some more time. So there is no Nifty 50 stocks which is price is going up, traded quantity is going up and percentage of delivery percent is also going up. There is no Nifty 50 stock, so we will not have any discussion on that. Slowly we are adding one by one things where you will also understand. We will all grow together. See, you can see there is considerable square off in the money call. 1 minute, you can see here, and there is some little bit square off in the money put also. There is build up. It's tomorrow is a expiry, so eat the premium. The build up will be more. Okay, today, like before the near the expiry, OA data will not be of much of use. Okay, now we'll go to Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty daily chart is also same case. Here again it has taken supported 21-day moving average. Okay, it is in and around. This also got stuck between the range, yesterday's range. Most probably they may close around 20,000 or 20,100, between 20,200, in and around the same range it should close as of now. In 1 hour from intraday perspective, you can see it may take 19,973 as a strong support. You can see here. Okay, here also market had come down from there. If it breaks, it will go to 19,980. It has to again, it will take support at a super trend. If it breaks only, it will come down. So not much with what you call in chart. It may most likely consolidate or it may go down. Market going down chances are fairly more than going up. Going up is difficult. There is lot of resistance. Okay, once it breaks this, it will start falling to 18,200. It may not happen tomorrow, but we don't know what will happen in due course. Okay, right? Will go to the question of the day, and then we have left out anything. FII data we have seen. The same thing we are putting it in Excel sheet. We will be showing it in Excel sheet, and then one thing is there. Reliance, we can see again they have added 2 lakh OA is added in 15,000 put out of the money, and they have squared it of few lots in the money. Okay, again they have added. This is an unusual activity. Okay, these all are unusual activity which we. So again 17,000 it has added in the money they have added. So most likely if market falls, Reliance is may fall heavily and it may touch 1500 by this month expiry, but it's next Thursday 25th of June most likely. We are not certain. We have to, after analyzing the OA data, we have to confirm it in the price action strategy in the 15 minutes or 5 minutes of your chart also. Okay, 1 minute friends, we will just open that Excel sheet. I made one Excel sheet now because people were telling you please don't do 1 minute. In this sheet only we analyze the unusual activity, what happens in the OA data, right? I'm just showing you. So we do so many things. That is why by the time we analyze everything, it takes so much of time. We are not able to record the video early, and I'm trying to record the video around between 9 and 9:30 and post it by 9:30. Okay, I'll try from next week. See, this is the question and answer sheet. On 12th, we asked a question. This is from cash and futures perspective. Okay, price going up, volume going up. That means today I will explain a little bit on this. Please watch the video completely. Okay, right? Sorry. See, price going up, volume going up. What is the meaning? If some stock or some instrument which has to go up, how do you come to know that it's going up? It will by seeing the change in the price, that it is going from higher to higher, higher to higher, higher to higher. How it can go? Only with the help of volume it will go up. So price goes up, volumes goes up. It is generally, this is theory, okay? Practically we'll see later. Theoretical part to understand. Price is going up means with the support of volume it goes up, okay? Without volume it can't go up. So it's called bullish. When price is coming down, here price is coming down. Even when price has to go down, there should be volume, right? Then volume will go up. That is the funda here. Understand the basic concepts, okay? Okay, try to understand the basic. Price is going up, that means somebody is selling, okay? There also volume will be there. So volume will be high when the price goes down also, right? And here price is going down, volume is going down, okay? For example, I am telling you, when the market, okay, here what is happening? Price is going down, volume is going up, right? Here this is a bearish scenario. Price is going down, and see, price is going down. When the volume also comes down, that means that fall is going to stop. There is going to be a reversal in the system. That is reversal biased towards bullish. Okay, it may consolidate, but there will be a reversal. So now apply that logic and tell me the answer for this one. Okay, price going up, volume going down. Price going up, volume going down. So analyze all the four together. Okay, analyze all the four together and please answer correctly. Try to answer it as correctly as possible. If not, okay, tomorrow you will get the answer. We will learn. We will make it a journey. Okay, we will make it a journey. It is more of learning, what you call learning sessions. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Okay, and also we like to pray for the Jawans who have lost their lives. Around 20 Jawans have lost their life with face off with China. We'll also try to boycott all the Chinese product as much as possible. 100% is not possible, immediately not possible. Slowly and steadily we will start boycotting Chinese products such that we also contribute towards our nation, right? We salute all the Jawans who have lost their lives. Also pray God that their family should get the strength to live without them. Okay friend, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.